My thesis project is about an artist retreat in Varanasi. The city being a hub of art and culture, I thought to develop the art village in the oldest city of the world, Banaras. The idea of an artist retreat is based upon basic needs of an artist that they experience missing around them. Here artist that I refer is limited to visual artists and craftsmen for the project. By the word artist retreat, I mean artist in residence, that is residency for artists outside usual environment. A place where artists are provided with residing and working space and are set to various activities. The project is proposed to bring up opportunities for local and visiting artists in the country. Whole land is visioned to be covered with artists and artworks, creating a more culture environment all over the site, escalating interaction and learning experience. The site is located in Uttar Pradesh in the city of Varanasi, towards the northern part of the city known as Rajghat. The city is an ASI excavated land with a tomb adjacent to the site shown in white square, and few excavated remains, that is 2 feet high walls represented in dark muddy color. Adjacent to the site, Kashi station is 700 meters apart. Sunpath diagram. Larger area exposed to light. Approach. Green for approach road. Yellow for access road. Existing condition. Half of the site is covered with the trees, shown in green colors at the right of the site. Section of the site depicts flat land with slopes on two sides. The concept is to incorporate tangible and intangible characters of Varanasi on the site to create a similar environment as Varanasi. Tangible characters like Gali, Ghat and Ganga, whereas intangible characters like bells, prayer chanting, community gathering spaces. To bring up characters of Varanasi, 5 major parts of the site has been divided into levels. First, road and studio at the level of plus 200. Second, excavated area at the level of minus 3000 mm. Artist gully at the level of minus 4000 mm. Craftsman village at the level of minus 7000 mm. And admin and ghat at the level of minus 10,000 mm. To bring up the feature of gully of Varanasi, the pedestrian movement over the site has been formed and planned in the form of gullies, moving through the artist residences, showcasing artist artwork, creating a community gathering spaces all over the site. Site has 2 entries. First is the main entrance and second is the service entrance. Vehicular movement is limited to the front of the site, whereas pedestrian flow is in the form of gullies all over the site. Green alleys divide major 5 levels through greenery, slopes and stairs. Following are the detailed layout of artist residences. First is the single occupancy residence, where second is the double occupancy residence. All the layout has been done according to the anthropometrics. Administration block. Ground floor is the admin area, while first floor is a cafe overlooking Ganga. Gateway, placed at the entrance of the site to create a sense of welcome for the artisans and the visitors. Following are the major site sections. Finally, I would like to thank head of the institution, class coordinators and guide for their guidance throughout my thesis project.